Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Oh yeah, just a second. Time to plug in my iPhone 6, which only charges if it's upside down. Alright, as always, I do my best to get nothing. Things happen. Things happen. Let's see here. I'm going to eject this tape. I'm going to turn this pet on. Why? Well, because I can. I'm going to rewind and I'm going to type in LOAD quote big time quote comma 2. And I'm going to press play. Why? Because, well, I just like that program. Anyway, as I was saying, things happen, and here it is. And this will go live today. It is Christmas Day. And, of course, I found something. I try not to, but things happen. It all started with a data set. I saw an ad online for a data set. I'm looking underneath here. This data set looks from the top, it looks pretty good. From the bottom, it's had a rough life. But that part does seem to be working. See what we find eventually inside. This is kind of the second generation that I know of. In other words, it's white and it has a counter. Anyway, then I said, well, let's see, what else does this fellow have? And there was some disk drives, but anyway, we'll get to them. But then he said, oh, I have some other things. For example, Avenger, a cartridge for the Vic-20, Dwarf, a cartridge for the Vic-20. Well, of course, my favorite, Omega Race, a cartridge for the Vic-20. Oh, we are finished. We will run. And let's see. Well, what time is it? It's 12:39. 12:39. There. So the clock is ticking. Anyway. And what else? Remember, all I was after was a data set. And then we have a Lodestar disk called Personal Productivity Software. Easy checkbook. Keep those bouncing checks in check. And I guess other things. Plus Block Battle, Crystal Garden, Famous Americans, and more. Complete contents on back. Bug alert. Font changer. Whatever. Yeah, here it is. Commodore Magazine's graphics winners. Things. Okay, anyway. More. Lodestar. Scavenger hunts. Of course, there's stuff on the back. I don't believe I've ever looked at CAD M. There we are. A breakthrough. They say. Walt's Workshop. A gifted computer artist creates with a koala pad. I used to enjoy the koala pad. It did, even for those of us that were not gifted in art. it made it pretty okay. Video Pro Titler, an all-purpose presenter for VCR or monitor, etc. Let's just have a look what else is on here. Henry's Art Hotel, VCR library, Video Pro Titler, Tarot. Guess that's a tarot card. What is in your future? Star Copier, Star Nibbler. Oh, jukebox. A 19th century composer comes alive. Chopin. Imagine. What else? Another. Oh, that's a glare. Another Lodestar disc. I'm assuming the discs are in here. Actually, I haven't looked. Bugler, Video Pro Titler. Change line. Oh, okay. There's little notes here. Bugler, Shoot the Moon. Change line 440. Here, another one of these. I suppose it would be good to know if, oh yeah, I see disc. Lodestar, issue number 61, disc 1 and 2. There they are. So they're really there. Well, more things to explore. And what else do we have? Well, not surprising, or perhaps surprising. Oh, yes. Another Commodore 64. Missing some keys. Oh, it came from Comspec. 666 Wilson Avenue, Downstream, Ontario. Or 153 Bridgeland Avenue. Toronto. Yes, sirree. And there is some writing on here. Anyway, this looks like it's had a rough life. Maybe it was a school. One, the writing is very weak. So I really can't. It does it? I think it has a serial number. Other stuff, something. I really can't make it out. Anyway, Comspec did do a lot of educational things, and they were one of the approved educational dealers. That's not going to help me. Oh, I really need to get, this is probably going to help me. I need to get this, well, I have tools here, but as I said recently, when you need it, it's not clutter. But I do need to see about having a specialized thing. So let's have a look. Don't lose the screws. Into this Commodore 64. And we'll undo the keyboard and set it down here. And then we will have a look. And there it is, a Commodore 64. And it does look, at first glance, that, well, it has, ooh, got some dust. PLA chips in the socket, the SID chips in the socket, the ROMs are in sockets. 6510 is not, it looks like one RAM chip is, and of course, undoubtedly, the video chip will be in the socket. Where was that screwdriver that I didn't need before? Where was it? Pry off the cover, and indeed, there's the cover, and indeed, the video chip is in the socket. Now, does this computer work? I have no clue. And I don't have a monitor right here, right now, up here to give it a try. But it will be tested. It will be. We'll see. As I say. Oh, no. No, I guess it's okay. Sorry. Something didn't look right there on the keyboard connector, but it's okay. Anyway, as I say, it looks like this computer has had a kind of typical school life time. In other words, it's, well, it is rather yellowed. It's missing two keys. One, it could, well, that would be, I guess, the delete key. The stem is still there. I don't know if you can see this. So the stem on that one is still there. So it wouldn't be that tough to stick another key on there. But the other one, which is, I guess, the 9 key, well, it would have to come apart. It would. Oh dear. Well, I suppose what I should do is take a piece of paper and write some notes and stick it inside so I don't forget what happened there. Okay. 64 Xmas possible missing 2 keys ROMs plus ELA plus did plus Vic-20 in pockets. Need to test all. All right. Open this up. Stick it inside. And then when I come back to it, whatever that is, I will have a clue of what is what. You know what? I'm just gonna stick this over here. Wait. I will put the screws back in. Always good to have the screws good and tight, but not too tight. Just tight enough. But it's good to have them in there. Now, maybe I'll just tuck that over here. Oh. Not that I'm running out of room in here or anything. Oh no. Anyway. Oh yeah. And cartridge. The 1924, the 1923, and the 1901. All good games. Ooh. And I would suspect they had these things in one of those multi things where you could have a whole bunch of them in and select because the names are written on there. Alright, I'm going to put these in a bin down below. And then, oh yeah, the data set. Oh, one thing with the data set also, it does look like the end here has had some surgery. Is that bad? Not necessarily. It's, yeah, it's something. It is something. I wonder if there's really a belt in there. Or what's what. But that's what I saw first, and that got me started on saying, "Ooh, looky, that's it." And actually, the case looks pretty good. We'll see about that. We shall. Anyway, for the moment, that's all she wrote. So I hope you have a lovely, lovely time this holiday season, no matter what you are celebrating. It seems that lots of things are coming together on the same day, and you know. Anyway, I will be here at the moment, except for Penny, who she doesn't seem to come up here much anymore. All alone on Christmas Day. So I'm tinkering, I'm puttering, and what's this? Oh. What else? I will continue to tinker and putter, and I've been moving things upstairs that I hate to admit this, but things that I got at the 2023 World of Commodore, which have still been sitting in the front hall. I've been moving some of them up. So yes, I need to get on things I do. Anyway, that's it. That's all for now. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.